Hey there! Today, we're diving into a common problem that many of us face when working on Excel projects. Picture this: you're dealing with a massive amount of spilled data across multiple sheets, causing a headache-inducing challenge. The heart of the problem lies in the character limit of around 250 for name manager formulas, making it tricky to process extensive text joins. Even a UDF formula falls short when dealing with around 4,000 characters. The struggle is real, right? Now, let's talk about the solution. One way to tackle this issue is by using a nifty formula that leverages reduce, expand, LAMBDA, and VSTACK functions. By structuring the formula with the correct sheet references and utilizing the power of Excel functions, you can efficiently handle the spilled data conundrum. The formula provided offers a streamlined approach to consolidate information from multiple sheets seamlessly. It's like a magic wand for unruly Excel data. Expanding on the solution, let's delve into another aspect to enhance your Excel wizardry. The VSTACK function plays a crucial role in combining data vertically, ensuring a neat and organized presentation of information. By specifying the range of cells from distinct sheets within the VSTACK function, you can effectively merge data without breaking a sweat. It's like assembling a puzzle with precision, creating a cohesive picture from scattered pieces. In summary, Excel challenges like handling extensive data spills across multiple sheets can be daunting. However, by implementing strategic formulas like the one discussed today, you can streamline your workflow and conquer complex data arrangements like a pro. Remember, Excel is your ally in navigating through data intricacies. Until next time, happy Excelling. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your biggest Excel woes. I'm all ears.